Cake decorating greatness awaits. There's so much to learn about how to decorate cakes that you may be overwhelmed and unsure of where to start. In this video, I share the 6 most important skills that you should master in your first year of decorating cakes. So let's get started. The first skill you'll want to master is baking a cake. It doesn't matter if you're baking from scratch or using a box mix. You'll want to get a handle on your mixing method, baking temperature, and baking time to create a well-baked and delicious cake. The second skill you'll want to master in your first year is how to properly prepare a cake. This includes leveling your cake layers with either a leveler tool or a serrated knife to remove the dome, and perfecting the process of adding filling between your cake layers. The third skill you should master in your first year is frosting a cake. This can be applying a smooth layer, using a cake comb to add texture to the sides, or creating an appealing overall texture that's tailored to your style. My favorite way of achieving smooth icing coverage and super sharp top edges is by using the upside down method to ice a cake, followed by a light touch-up with parchment paper. The fourth skill to master is learning to adjust your icing consistency for the task at hand. Remember, you never want the icing to be too thick or too thin, so be sure to add more liquid or powdered sugar or whip your icing to the perfect thickness. The fifth skill to master is coloring icing. Not just coloring, but adjusting the icing color to meet the needs of your cake project. I've linked a video in the description below where I explain many ways to adjust icing color based on concepts of color theory. The sixth skill you'll want to master in your first year of cake decorating are some very basic piping skills. If you're struggling with this skill, I've linked my Buttercream Piping Series playlist in the description below. Basic techniques such as stars, dots, rosettes, and shells will come in handy during the first year of your cake decorating journey. I want to hear from you. On which cake decorating skills are you currently working? How's it going? Are you thriving or are you struggling overall? Comment below and it may help others who are in the same boat. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials, and share this video with all of your baking friends. A special shout out to all of my current channel members. Thank you for your support. And to you, thanks for watching.